If you're trying to find the right tape that Whirlpool and other appliance brands use to secure water lines inside refrigerators, you've probably noticed it's not your regular duct tape or electrical tape. It's a special kind designed to handle cold and moisture without peeling off. So here's the deal with using this kind of tape on water lines. First off, you want to get something that sticks well even when it's cold and damp, because inside a fridge, it's all about moisture and temperature changes. Look for tape that's labeled as freezer tape or safety tape. It's usually vinyl-based and designed not to crack or lose grip over time. When you're wrapping the water lines, make sure the surface is clean and dry so the tape can really grab on. Wrap it tightly, but don't stretch the tape too much, or it can lose its adhesive qualities. If you need to replace the tape, peel off the old stuff gently so you don't damage the waterline underneath. Also, keep an eye on the tape every few months. If it starts to peel or look brittle, replace it right away to avoid leaks. You can usually find this kind of tape at appliance parts stores or online by searching freezer safety tape yellow. And if you're ever unsure, taking a photo and showing it to a local hardware store employee can help you find the exact match. One of the biggest mistakes with appliance waterline tape is grabbing regular duct tape or electrical tape thinking it'll do the job. Those tapes usually fail because they aren't designed for cold, damp environments and will peel off, causing leaks. Second, not cleaning the surface before applying the tape is a huge issue. Dust or moisture will stop the tape from sticking properly. The fix is simple. Wipe down the area with rubbing alcohol and let it dry before taping. Third, people often overstretch the tape while wrapping, which makes the adhesive weaken and the tape roll back on itself over time. The best way to handle this is to pull the tape snug but not tight, letting it lay flat with no wrinkles. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making home repairs and upgrades way less stressful. For contractors, it's a solid way to get more work by reaching people actively looking for pros in their area.